Happy Sunday, everybody, and welcome to this new video. I'm really glad that you clicked on this video because in today's video I have a special advice for you guys. This is a German book, but I will try my best to tell you about it in English because there are some skills in it which might help you a lot. I'm really sure that it will. So my name is Daria, I'm 27 years old and I usually live in Germany. I live in Germany, I usually speak German, sorry. Yeah, and today is Sunday, and I just went to the sauna again with a friend of mine. We always go there every Sunday. Yeah, it is really nice. I love sauna. So, why am I telling you that? I don't know. What I want to tell is I do really feel great. Tick, ting. And I just want to give you and share with you my positive energy because if you are asking yourself, why is she acting like this? Or why is she always positive? I can explain to you. The reason is that I tried my best in the past 11 years to learn to be positive again. Because I'm a refugee coming from Iraq, and because of a lot of trauma I had, I somehow lost my positivity. But we can learn to become the person we were once and to the child we were once. But also, we can, with that, learn to become a positive and better person. That's possible. Let me tell you that. I'm the example. I'm the example. Okay. Let's get started with that advice I want to give you. So in this video, Alles ist gut, das kleine Überlebensbuch, Soforthilfe bei Belastung, Trauma und Co. This is a book my trauma therapist had or still has. She has it still on her desk in her room, and I asked her, oh, what kind of book is that? It looks really interesting. And she told me about it and said the methods we use here are also written in this book, but not exactly these ones which we use here in the therapy, but it is like nearly the same. So when you are alone and you feel bad about something, you can use these strategies. So if you're from Germany, just feel free to buy this book. Ding! It is not that expensive. €9.99. Yeah. And yeah, so it explains a lot. I can show you also like how. And I just want to give you one method. And before I tell you about it, let me explain to you why it helps. I did a short video where I explained that my trauma therapist explained to me that the EMDR method works because it has to do with thinking about the situation you were in, getting into that emotion and activating the left and the right side of your brain. And with that, you can process experiences. That's so crazy. That's why a lot of people feel better after going for a walk, because when they move their left and right side of their bodies, they are also activating their left and right side of their brain, because the left side of our brain is responsible for the right side and the right side is responsible for the left side. So here we go. And there is a method called butterfly, and I will just share this with you so that you know what you can do when you feel bad. Just imagine you have a package, and this is your, oh man, in German we say Notfallkoffer. I don't know. Let me just translate it, sorry. I just have to. My English is not that good. Wait, I will translate it for you because it's important to me. Sorry. Deutsch. Wait a second. It's funny. I can laugh. I can. Emergency. Yeah. Emergency kit. So emergency kit, and you can fill it with all the skills you learn from books, from people, and then you will know when you have a problem, oh, what can I do? Let me just have a look in my emergency kit. What did I do in the past? What helped me? Also having that self-reflection, right? So butterfly method is, for example, when I feel bad and I am maybe angry or I am sad, then what I can do is go into that emotion, closing my eyes, for example, and asking myself, where do I feel that emotion? Is it in my breast? Is it in my stomach? Where is it? Because our brain saves experiences with emotions somewhere in our body. When you were a child, for example, and somebody held you like that, really strong, and that person hurt you, then you have remember cells under your skin, and yeah, therefore it is, this experience with that emotion is saved under your cells. It's crazy. And what you then do is you ask yourself, where do I feel that emotion? And then you can just cross your arms and just how do we say that in English? You can do this and stay with that emotion in connection wherever it is in your body, and just do that as long as you need it to do, because what it does is it activates the left and right side, and then you just bring it into process. It's crazy. You can try it, and you can maybe write down in the comments what you experienced, and I really hope that you will have success with that skill, because it helped me a lot. And if you want to know more about it, you can tell me that, then I will go deeper into that topic. But for the first step, it is totally fine and enough to just know that you have that, and to learn to have the self-reflection about these topics. Yeah. Okay, I have to now end the video, and I really hope that you liked it. And if so, then give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you want to see more videos. With that said, it's your life, it's your decision in your own speed. And if I can do that, so can you. That's it with POA-LIFE. See you soon. Bye. Cut. Oh, that was fake. Cut.